Woxsen University, especially the School of Arts and Design, will be signing an MOU with IIT VHU, which is Banaras Hindu University. Now, that was only on the exchange student front. Now we are jumping into a much more robust collaboration, which is dual degree. That means 2+2 arrangement for the BBA program. So there are many BBA students here today. So all of you have the opportunity now to go to South Korea and pursue the second leg of your degree and get 2 degrees. One is the Indian degree and then the South Korean degree. And of course, open the market much more for you. The conceptualization of collaboration with Woxsen came across for a chair professorship arrangement. So I'm pretty glad to announce that I will personally be holding the chair professor for their company. But this chair professorship comes with a scholarship, which you might please bring here. Classavo is donating for entrepreneurship and startups incubation, 3.5 lakh rupees, $5,000 to the university. And this will go to all these students that have presented startups. This is for incubation. This will be for developing their companies and accelerating their ideas. So Rohan, I have to say that we're really glad to collaborate. This is a very, very kind gesture of yours, and this is a byproduct of the Global Summit. Otherwise, he will not know that these individuals exist in the first place. So again, big round of applause. Thank you very much.